if you're not careful, you might take off your whole eyebrow. Like you can see this one. This is the hair I was trying to get. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new series on my channel. This is going to be a does it really work for this flawless brows eyebrow razor thingy majig. This is like one of those electric razors that you're supposed to be able to use for your eyebrows. I'm going to tell you all the tea. If it works, I'm going to do a demo, show you guys how to use it, if it was a fail or if it was not a fail. So we're going to find this out together. I've never tried this before. This is going to be my first time using this product. So pray for me, y'all, because if I end this video with a half an eyebrow, I did it for y'all. So let's just get right into it. I'm curious to see how this is going to work. Put the battery in. Whoa! There we go, folks. And basically it says, I'm going to read the instructions for how to use it. It says, switch it on to the on position. You're going to use it on clean, dry skin. You're going to pull the skin tight and move in small circular motions. We are going to go ahead and try to do this. I'm going to start on this eyebrow and I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see. Alrighty, so if you guys can tell, some hairs that are growing back that need to be taken care of. And normally I would let my eyebrows grow out much more than this before I would get another wax, just because I don't want to take off too much hair. But if I could clean up these hairs right here and get a nice clean effect, let's see, let's see. So we're gonna pull. I don't think it's working. I don't think I'm doing it right because I don't see, like, I think one of the hairs might have came off, but there's still about 3 hairs that still need to go. Like you can see this one. This is the hair I was trying to get that wouldn't come off. Okay, wait, I think it's working. Alright, I think it's working on the top. Alright, so I was able to clean up that line right there, as you guys can see. So let me try it. Alright guys, I think this is a fail. This doesn't seem to be working. Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh, I got it. I got it. After all of that, it actually did clean up my brow, like low key. All right, let me be patient and try the other side. So I think I figured this product out. You have to be able to get like the tip of the hair to get into little holes in this, and you have to get the tip of the hair in the hole for it to come off. Aha! Yeah, that's how you do it. So that's one hair that I just got off. And there's 2 more that need to come off. So I'm just gonna try to get it off without there we go. There we go. So, as you guys can see, that was definitely a struggle. Okay, guys, so these are the finished brows. Now, is it worth it to get this? It takes a lot of effort to get this to work. And I also think it's kind of really dangerous. Like, if you're not careful, you might take off your whole eyebrow. And I don't think you want that. I don't think you want that. I don't want that. But it does work for touch-ups, you know, for hairs that kind of just pop up on the side or here. Or if you have like a unibrow, this would be great to clean up your unibrow. But I definitely don't think I'll be adding this into my routine in replacement of tweezers, because tweezing it is just so much easier. Yes, tweezing is more painful, but you have more control over the tweezers than you do over this little device here. If you guys can see, though the top of this is small-ish, it's definitely not small enough to get really close and really specific sharp lines. This can really only get like the little outlier straggly hairs that pop up. It can't get like you a crisp line or anything. So I would not recommend this product. So yeah, this episode of Does It Really Work is a fail. This one does not work. If you guys want more of these videos, let me know down below. I used to watch these type of videos all the time. I think Graveyard Girl, I'll have her channel listed in the description box below. I loved her Does This Really Work videos. Like, I don't know. I'm the kind of person that like sees things and is like, like, should I buy that? Like, is it really gonna work? Like, so I'm gonna save you guys the trouble. I don't think you should pick this up. If you want to try it for yourself, go ahead. But you guys can see in the footage that it took me entirely too long to get out maybe 4 hairs. And yes, it did come out pretty good, but I don't think it's worth the amount of time that you have to put into holding your eye and pulling it up and spinning around and around. Like, it's a lot. And there is a learning curve with it, and you don't want to be on a learning curve with your eyebrows, okay? We need these hairs. We need these hairs. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know down below, how do you do your eyebrows? Do you do waxing? Do you do threading? Do you tweeze them yourself? Let me know what you guys do in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Join the family. We're so close to 1,100 subscribers, and you guys know we're on the road to 2,000. So make sure you also turn on your post notifications. Join the notification gang and let me know down below once you've turned on your notifications so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys know I love reviewing products because I gotta tell you guys what's the tea on this stuff, okay? So I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye!